Hi, I'm Tom from Learn PDR Online. Today we're going through some of the commonly asked questions and giving you the answers that you need. One of the common questions we get asked is, what happens if it's raining on the day of the repair? Can you still complete the work? Now, being that we're based in England, there's obviously the chance that it could rain, so we have to have an alternative for those kind of repair days. What we use is a pop-up gazebo, which is easy to set up and is usually set up on your driveway or a similar kind of environment, and this gives us all the shelter we need in most weather conditions to be able to carry out repairs. It is also fairly common for PDR technicians to use large umbrellas on stands, just enough to cover the technician that's working and also cover the area of your car that's got the dent on, to allow a clear vision of it without the water beading across the repair. So usually an umbrella type stand or cover, or a pop-up gazebo to cover the vehicle, and we can carry out repairs in most wet weather conditions.